Oh, I slept so well. Right, come on Lucy, this is the last time packing my bags. The last ride. I've got 50 miles direct route to the ferry, or 60 or 70 more scenic, but it's Pamflax, it's the Netherlands, and I should have a tailwind. This is like the first tailwind in the whole trip. Come on Lucy, you can do this. 5 more minutes. Well, I can't quite believe it, but this is me leaving Belgium, about to enter Holland, and I'm making my last ride towards the ferry. Packing up my kit as usual. It was hard getting going, but felt a little bit emotional, like this is going to be the last time that I'm packing up my kit on this trip. And once again with these trips, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities and plans and ideas and inspiration. So yeah, there's always a journey that leads you up to these trips, and it's a journey in itself that leads to something else, whatever that might be. So yeah, happy, proud, emotional. Still got a big ride to do today, but hopefully have a tailwind, so I'm on my way home. Well, I can't quite believe it, but this is me leaving Belgium, about to enter Holland. I'm on my way home. After 5 weeks on the road, travelling across 10 European countries, today was my last ride. I was cycling from the Belgium-Dutch border to the hook of Holland to then get a ferry back to the UK. I was going to have a tailwind, and it was flat, and I was excited for the day, but relaxed. My route took me along the coast through Zeeland, which I really enjoyed as it's really traditionally Dutch, flat and cycling friendly. The route was 85 miles in total and I climbed about 1,000 feet, a bit different to some of the previous rides in the weeks before. Wrong way. Traffic jam. am on the last little stretch now. The weather's been kind, I've had the wind behind me today, riding through those lovely little Holland places, very Dutch. Yeah, yeah, don't quite know what to say. Proud, yeah, pleased to be going home. Hungry, looking forward to some food. It may well be industrial and loud, but here we are, Hooker Holland. I'm back in the UK. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Little blue Golf. It's been sat for 5 weeks, 5-6 weeks, however long I've been away. Will the engine start? I've got my helmet on for extra protection. Let's see. Home time.